saw a lot of Seva with different spelling. So when did they start to go in the Seva name?
Actually, when we started, nobody bothered about the organization. But when we started doing well, when people started coming from outside and they said we have to go to Seva, then they realized that there's a lot of potential in Seva. Because everybody, when people talk about chicken, they talk about Seva. So in that case, then they started copying the name of Seva. I went to the registrar office also, and they said we cannot do anything because you write Seva Lucknow. And they write Seva Chicken Industry, Seva Industry, Seva something industry. So we cannot, differentiate in that. We cannot stop them from doing that because they do not call themselves Seva Lucknow. If they call themselves Seva Lucknow, and they said when there is a success, people copy it. Isn't it? You take anything. That is true, really. I mean, when you see so many things that have been copied, ultimately, so but we have taken it up. We have given our name to be, what do you call it? Trademark. So we have applied for that. As soon as they come, then they can apply.
Okay. So how do you compete on the market with these people? Because some tourists, they can come and they can be...
Yeah, many tourists has been taken away by these people because they give commission to the taxi fellows. So whoever will bring them to our shop, they are going to get this much of money. So that is one way of handling it. But we do, but anybody who comes to Lucknow, if they want to buy a quality work, so they refuse to go anywhere. Because so many times we get a call from the Taj also, on the parking also, and they say that we have to put it on there, so how do we come? Many times there is a problem, but still we organize these exhibitions, and these people they do have started exhibitions also. Wherever we go, they go. But because of the quality of work, we got exhibitions.
And what are your goals for the next generation? Because we saw this girl, she wants to be a designer, and she's working, she got an amazing grades at school. And so what are your goals for the next generation?
I think if you think that Seva just wants to become a marketing organization, so give opportunities to many groups to come up and sell their product. If you can sell their product, they can survive. And within themselves, many girls will come up as designers because of their experience also. And we would like to open a livelihood college because that will be one of its kind, and where we will not only train them to get into production, but we will also give them a practical knowledge of marketing and work with the designers directly.
So these kids, they need exposure in the future.
Yeah.
So they can stand up.
And I'm sure that I will keep getting people like you who will come forward. And Masha is also planning to do something in New York. If you have confidence, and nobody can. If you have confidence, I'm sure you will go ahead with that. Anything else that you want to ask? Welcome in this organization. And another thing in this organization is that people, when they come and they want to talk to me, they always say that why did you talk to the women? Because you get a better perspective of them. And were you able to talk to them? You have the interviews also.
Yes, exactly.
So
want to do more some interviews.
Please do. You have a free hand in the organization. Please do something like this. And please suggest us where we can improve. Really. Vinita? छोड़ो. But still, the women are learning that. It's amazing. Wow. See, there is one block only which has been. Hello? হ্যাঁ বেটা কি খবর? আমি পেয়ে গেছি বেটা, আমি পেয়ে গেছি. আমি Mudri, Phanda, Shadow and Tepchi.
Oh, this is the shadow.
This is the shadow, that's the Tepchi, this is the Phanda, and this is the Mudri.
So this is the shadow work. This is the edge.
So you have to need a magnifying glass to see. They should finish it and then I should give it for washing and then frame it. I gave it to the organization back. Look at the jali, my God, look at it. Jali dekho jara. This was my grandmother's sari, which she gave it to my mother to keep it. Because in Bengalis, you don't wear white till you really become widow. Today the trend has changed completely. But my mother never had an opportunity because my father passed away not even a year that my mother passed away. You know, on both sides you cannot make out which is the right side.
Yes. It's so well done.
It's so beautifully done. But our women are all these kids are capable of making it.
This?
Yeah. Anytime.
So it's always a simple process.
But they need to, but you need to print. You need to print. I send it for the block maker to make it. Personal people who have interest in this, they will be able to get it. Because, you know, they are unable to make such fine blocks.
So, hello, namaste. My name is Mary, and I would like to ask you some questions. Hello. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So, what is your background?
First thing everybody will laugh. Delicious.
कब से यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं? और आप अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताइए योर स्टोरी आपकी सेवा कैसे आ रही है
सेवा हमको भी लाइक
अच्छा
हमारे कोर्स में ट्रेनिंग चली थी कंपनी में, तो दीदी के
तो आप एम्ब्रॉयडरी में काम करते हैं?
नहीं, एम्ब्रॉयडरी का मैंने सीखा 6 महीने, तो दीदी के दीदी को घर चला करती हूँ। अच्छा, दीदी आप बताइए आप और आप काम कर रहे हो। पहले तबियत मेरी बहुत खराब रहती थी, तो चाहे आए चाहे ना आए, ऑफिस मुझे आना है, चाहे 2 घंटे के लिए आना है, कोई मेरे को ऑप्शन देता कि अभी आओ कभी ना, दोपहर में चले जाता है, शाम में चले जाता है, तबियत खराब है तो चले जाता है।
She remembers about the girl, and she's been here for a while, and she's been learning how to do it initially, and then she used to come to office even though she was very sick, and she used to come for a few hours and be sick.
तबियत खराब होगी तो मेरे दीदी को कभी ले जाएगा, तो मेरे पैर में ये पर ऑफिस में तो यही सब चीज़ है, और स्कूल भी नहीं गए कभी।
Everyone in school, she's learned everything here because of the office she's got.
लेकिन पढ़ लेते हैं सब, अंग्रेजी पढ़ते हैं, उर्दू हिंदी सब
She knows how to read and write.
बैंक का काम अपने हाथ से करते हैं, 2 दिन करते हैं,
Do all the accounts.
दिल जमा करते हैं, अपना बिल्कुल जमा कराते हैं, कोई जमा कराते हैं। पहले बस मुझे यकीन नहीं था मेरा काम कैसे होता है।
So she never believed before like how it would be possible for her to be encouraged to learn. But now she does it.
Now she came here.
चाहे लाइट पर भी, चाहे बिजली पर भी, चाहे फोन पर भी, चाहे हॉस्टल, सब कुछ।
I asked her, she said, you brought her here. कैसे इधर आए?
बताया तो दीदी मुझे लेकिन
कैसे लाते थे?
ऐसे लाती थी।
So she's carried that.
जब कुछ भी नहीं करता दीदी के हाथ पे भी चढ़ ऐसे यूं करके यहाँ पे हाथ रखा, तो नाली बांधी ऐसे। जब दीदी हमको दिल्ली रह रही थी तो जब बहुत दूर तक के पैदल गए तो थक गए, तभी एक आदमी ने कहा कि आओ साइकिल में बैठा देना, साइकिल में बैठे नहीं, डर लग रहा है। दीदी ने ऐसे हाथ दिए, यहाँ हाथ में बल्ले बनाए, ऐसे पकड़े, नाली फान गए, फिर थोड़ी देर चले फिर बैठे, ऐसे ऐसे करते।
So she's to carry, basically carried everywhere. Okay.
दोबारा दिल्ली का जाना नहीं भूलते, जब पहली बार आप दिल्ली से
The first time she went to go.
ऐसी बात नहीं।
So what was the impact of Seva in your life from the beginning when she came here and till now? What has changed in your life?
जिंदगी में क्या किया?
बहुत अच्छा किया,
बहुत अच्छा किया।
वेरी
They did
Superb.
They did everything.
Superb.
And what was like your best experience when she's been to Delhi?
Yeah, she didn't get a lot of
What
it.
was the best experience of traveling with the team?
वो जब ट्रैवलिंग उस पे गाड़ी पे वो क्या बोलते हैं जिसको गाड़ी में सामान ले आते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं, उसको स्ट्रेचर वो
ट्रॉली,
बिठा के उसका
हाँ,
लगे
हाँ।
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 लाख
हाँ।
ना हो गया, जैसे 1 बक्सा 2 बक्सा 3 बक्सा,
हाँ।
तुमने मैंने 6 बक्सा फिर 7
साल।
1 2 3 4 5 6 लाख 1 7 लाख।
So whenever they were transporting around the boxes in the exhibition with the trolley, they were talking about there were 6 boxes inside on the trolley. So,
Like backpack you carry. Once I took her in like backpack to Delhi. She was invited for a meeting.
तो आपके इस ऑफिस में पोजीशन क्या है?
मतलब
क्या करती हो ये?
क्या करती है?
वो तो आपने भी देखा ना, कढ़ाई चेक करते हैं सब, कहीं देखो लड़ाई दूसरे भी चलते हैं बाहर।
अच्छा।
Thank you.
तुम जाओ बता रहे हैं समझ।
हाँ।
Why don't you go and stay next to her? It would be good. If you don't mind.
No, I have given my interview. Now let me take the interview. Let me take the I should wait.
So your first name is No Asana. Which one is your first name? आपका नाम Sabani. Hello Sabani. How are you? कैसे हो?
So I want to ask you how did you came to Seva? We have already done it yet, but how did you came to Seva and what is your background? What are you studying?
तो फिर से बताओ आप कैसे सेवा आए, क्यों आए, क्या कर रहे हैं?
सेवा मेरी अपनी माँ काम करती है मेरी मम्मी से। मैं समर वेकेशन की छुट्टी होती है ज्वाइन है इंग्लिश के जैसा है। जब समर वेकेशन की छुट्टी होती है तभी आते काम करने, जब उसके पैसे मिलते हैं तभी मेरी पढ़ाई होती है।
She comes here to work over summer vacation. The money that she gets from this is what she uses to go to school.
Okay. So what is the impact of Seva in your life? So what are your goals for your future? What do you want to study? And what do you like the most of Seva?
आपको सेवा में क्या पसंद है, क्यों क्या चेंजेस किए?
सेवा में पूरा ही पसंद है, दीदी पसंद है और मैं सेवा खोलने के शौक है, मैं रोना दीदी बनूँ।
अच्छा, she wants to become like the mother teacher. And she wants to open the Seva.
Okay, in Notna, and you told me last time you want to be a designer as well. So, are you still
designer बनना चाहती हूँ कुछ? हाँ, fashion designer.
And how do you see yourself like in 10 years?
दस साल में आप अपने आप को कहाँ देखते हैं?
मैं सेक्शन कुछ आएगी तो पसंद आता है।
क्या?
हम बहुत तरक्की करना चाहते हैं 10 साल में।
हाँ, 10 साल।
तो पढ़ाई चल रही है, इसके बाद हमें डिज़ाइनर बनने का शौक है।
हाँ.
अगर मम्मी चाहेंगी परमिशन मिलेगी तो बनूंगी।
So if she gets permission from her mom, then she would like to be studying to be a designer. But if not, then no.
Thank you very much.
तो आपका नाम कब से
है उमर जाना
अच्छा, और आप कब से यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं?
यहाँ से 28 साल हो गए
So जब से शुरू और so she's been working here for 28 years.
Yes. So, yeah, I know that, yeah, it's difficult because I know. So, how did you get to Seva? How did you start with Seva?
आपने सेवा में काम कैसे शुरू किया? क्यों?
हमने सेवा में काम शुरू किया। मेरी ही कोई एक कारीगर थी जो हमसे पहले यहाँ काम करती थी और वो मेरे यहाँ गई काफ़ी दिन, हमको जानती थी तो वो मेरे यहाँ काफ़ी दिन गई।